Merry January. My name's Kristen.
I'm Lisa.
And we're on the West Rancho real estate team at Century 21, and we're going to show you how to plant the seeded paper that you received.
Right, so you would have taken the card out and enjoyed a coffee with, yourself, maybe a friend. It's really cold and dreary outside, so enjoy that cup of coffee. And then after, what you're going to do with this is you're going to plant it and get your own basil plants. So it's a very simple process. All you need is a little pot of any sort. You need some type of soil. We have here ProMix, and then some water. So what we're gonna do is we're just going to fill this little pot up without knocking the water over with some soil. So then you can see here, just some regular soil. You're just going to pat the soil down because the soil will be very, very fluffy. And then, depending on the size of your pot, you're going to just find an area of seeds. You are going to rip that part out, put it on top, and then sprinkle it with some more soil.
Perfect.
Then you're going to put some water over it. And there you go. Put it on a sunny spot on the windows, and in about a week or two, you should be getting some basil plants. So do stay tuned. We'll be showing you pictures of how the basil plant grows. So it'll be on our Instagram, Facebook. Just follow us.
Yeah, thank you so much. And again, Merry January. And thank you so much for taking part in the West Rancho's team initiative of becoming more eco-friendly in the coming years. So yeah, stay tuned, and we'll definitely be posting some more information on how we continue to be more environmentally friendly.
Merry January.
Merry January.